When I was a kid, my parents told me I could have as many animals as I wanted, and I really took that to heart. These days, most mornings start with a full-time farmer shift before my actual job even begins. It's a little chaotic, but honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything. There's something about a slow, simple moments like this that make all the work worth it. So grab your coffee, spend this rainy Sunday morning with me in the hobby farm. Why are you guys all wet? There's no reason to be wet. Daisy, get. Go, Boone. Boone, go away. Go away. Go away. Go. Come on, babies. There you go. There you go. No eggs yet. Every morning I typically get up and get Lemon Drop out of the brooder box because she has already been broody this season and she doesn't need any more babies. And honestly, it's just way too hot. Today it's very nice, but it's the very beginning of August and it's just way too hot for her to be sitting in that brooder box all day long. So it's for her own good. Boone, go away. That is Lemon Drop letting me know that she is not happy with what I've decided to do to her today. I know she's hungry and I know she's thirsty, so it's for her own good. Lemon Drop is the loudest hen I've ever met in my entire life. Let me know down in the comments if you have any hens that are as loud as her. Like she's gonna sneak into the brooder box while she has a chance. So now let's go ahead and take care of the goats, because if I don't take care of them, they will try and escape. Hi, girls. I have to put the hay in several different places because every goat is mean. Dolly will run off those goats so that they can't eat. Ruger will run off these goats so that they can't eat. So I will find one more third spot, and hopefully that'll be enough room for everyone to eat. You're so wet, baby. She found her mama. Now it is time to feed the dogs so that they stop torturing my chickens. Holly! Daisy! Come on, Lily. Come on. Go. Now it is time to feed the dogs. Where's your bowl? The cats are apparently starving too, so let me go ahead and do that. This is my first year with the garden, and honestly, with all the rain and the bugs, it did not go exactly as planned. But I learned a lot, and I already have big plans for next year. I know what fungus is, I know that you can never really know what to expect. I know that cucumbers can sometimes grow curly if they don't get pollinated correctly. The cucumbers came out a little funky and the tomatoes are just now starting to grow, but I've got big hopes for these watermelons, so. I was trying to tell you about my sweet little bell pepper that a lot of people are having trouble getting their bell peppers to turn red, but mine turned red instantly. It just didn't grow bigger than 1 inch. So let's just pretend I tell you some brilliant plan about how to get your peppers red, but now it's a secret to all of us. So today is a little bit different of a Sunday morning just because my kids aren't here. If my kids were here, I would add the extra step of making them breakfast if they were awake. But now that the chickens have been checked, eggs have been checked, goats have been fed and watered, garden has been checked and pruned, cats, dogs have been fed, it is now time to take care of me. And what I will do is my skincare, my supplements, and make myself breakfast. For the longest time, I would find myself constantly pouring out into others, pouring out into my job, pouring into my animals, pouring into every single little creature that lives here that it is my responsibility to keep alive. And while I chose that life, it was a little bit draining. And so I found that making sure that I spend a little bit of time doing my skincare and taking supplements that were going to make me healthy keep me going longer, make me look better, feel better, all of those things, they help reduce the side effects of my GLP-1, they help with my PMDD. It just makes life on this hobby farm a little bit easier, a little bit less harsh, and I'm able to actually enjoy the ride instead of constantly stressing about the next thing I have to do, because I know that I at least spent a good 20 minutes on myself today. So whether it is Monday or Sunday, this is my morning routine, and if you are interested in starting a hobby farm, then these are the kinds of things that you can expect. But I also highly encourage you to take that time and spend a little bit of yourself, whether it's just your coffee in the morning by yourself, doing a Bible study, working out, whatever it is that's going to give you just a little bit of you back to yourself and not feel like you just are spread so thin. I'm going to go ahead and eat those eggs that I harvested last night and maybe even throw those 2 tomatoes on top of them. So thank you so much, and go ahead, and if you are interested in getting chickens, please watch this video here about 8 things you should know before you get chickens. Thank you, and I'll see you next time on Beauty and the Beaks.